So we have these mitre joints on the edges, and what I'm going to do now is actually model this, how it might actually be built. So we have something like this. So we have these two pieces of wood coming together at the corner, and then we cut out, let me find a diagram that best explains, maybe this one. So we cut out a slot in each piece, and then these wedges are wedged in and glued so it holds, and then the rest of that wedge is cut away and filed back, so we get this really clean detail and joint for this wood. Again, no nails, no screws,